Yo, what is up, my guys? We are back with another video, and as you can see, we're playing Minecraft Education
down
Edition.
on your knees and
we just sold them a new Mortal Kombat. No spoilers. Not digit. How fast are these things? Well, they don't hurt.
It's gonna two-shot you.
You see these things? You see these things?
Yeah, it's gonna one-shot you. Hold down shift.
Shift isn't gonna do anything. It's not gonna make me faster.
You just press W 2 times.
Oh, it's gonna get me. Should I jump? Go just like jump. Hey, go on! Over here! Over here, you stupid idiot!
You midget.
I should probably get my health up. Hey, yo, Bester! Is it coming for me?
Hey yo, you gotta get that pickle chip.
Wait, is it coming for me? Hey, yo, what's up? You better get that pickle chip, boy! Yo, he's got that pickle nose.
What was that? We have to see the recording after this. Did you hear that? You're screaming, bro.
Hey, hey! Yo, best in class! Yo, best in class! Slow down, slow down.
You have to upload this.
Can they jump? Oh, yes, I can jump.
Yeah, they have auto jump on. They're bots at the game. Turn your sensitivity.
Stop! No. Wait, hold on. Can they swim? Wait, where is he? Can they swim? Can they swim? Oh no, they can't swim. Ah, ha, hi, hey, best in class. What's up? You can give me, ha 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 ha. Maybe I should just like freaking strip. You can give me, ha 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 ha. You can give me, ha ha. Hey, dude, I know how much you like wieners.
Yeah, I know. This Minecraft series?
Yeah, me Minecraft series.
Look at all those wieners.
Wait, where's me Golem? Oh, there's Golem. Hey, what's up, Golem? How's it going? How's it going? I'm gonna get some payback on you.
Jump, then shoot. You have to jump and hit. That's how to get. You have to jump and hit him. Jump and hit him. While you're jumping, you have to hit him at the same time that you jump.
Wait, he's going right here. He's going right here. Oh, my agent's just drowning. How many agents are Hey,
Minecraft starter new. Jump then hit. That's like a critical. Jump and then hit. It'll show like
no 200 IQ. 200. Stop.
jump while hit.
No.
Go down spacebar and hit.
Stop.
It'll do more damage. I'm not playing with you. You're trashing the game. You're new. You're new. You missed your shot, bro.
I'm not even trying to get him. Trying to get him in. Hey, yo, best in class. What's up? What's up, best in class? But anyways, that's it for this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye.